So if someone focuses on technical tools and hands-on on a few times, so how easy will it be for them to get a job?
Technical tools and
So,
hands-on.
as an example, someone is focusing, I just need to know the tools. That's it, I will get a job. Or someone is not, as you mentioned, they're not giving the show and tell, or they're not giving the technical interviews. Or like, I think the question is how they have to be very strict to follow the process and procedure.
Or
They
like
just take one and give up another one. It's a package deal, as you mentioned.
or will it be like enough if someone just practice the hands-on? Is it enough to get a job? What do you think? Like sometimes we face some things that students just want to practice, but they don't attend the show and tell, or they don't give the interviews. So is it enough to just doing the hands-on, or learning something is enough to get a job in your job market?
110% is no. Because yes, technical tool is important, but like job market, this is not like you have to be being technical with, you have to be take care of your behavioral stuff as well. And this is the like second thing. The first thing is you have to, if I just go one day just show until just the video and then jump for the next one, this is not going to be happen. Because how come I know, like, yeah, I just got this content or I understand properly, or if I just if I have same thing in my workplace, then like after being I just practices, after I like if I didn't go with the show and tell, how come I know, like, yeah, I know that concept or I know that everything. So that's the interview and the show and tell parts come, because once you go for the interview and once you just prepare for your show and tell, then you will know, okay, so just watching the video is not going to work. You have to be practiced, because once you practice, you will get error. Once you get error, you will just have that learning process or have that knowledge how to fix that. Because this is just the simple and that one application we are just working here, but on our real time work time we have to deal with the 100 or 1,000 application. So if you just like skip here, or if you just hiding behind that error, you are not going to overcome with on your job world or the real world when we are just working with the 100 application. So you have to stay like go every step, you have to learn every dot, and then at the same time you have to learn how to debug. If you just got any error, Apu or your private coach or sir, they are just here to debug that like error, troubleshooting that, and then you will learn, okay, if I just got the same error on my job, then I'll just there is a way I can just overcome that. So there is a no way to just being on the workshop or just like watching that video and go for the next one. So this is, if anyone can do that they just like it's nothing. There is a zero, like there is a no meaning to continue themselves if with just watching that video, because you have to practice.
Got it.